Today we're checking out this radiant heater, and it was sent to us by Air Choice to check out. Now, I've been playing around with this for a few days. I just plugged it in, and I can already feel the heat coming from it, so it does work. It heats up really fast. This is a small one though, so it's only going to heat up, like a small room. This would be great, like in the office, like right underneath the desk. You're gonna get a lot of warmth from this. I know whenever I used to work in the office, you had no control over the heat or the AC, anything like that. So lots of times you would freeze during the winter, but with something like this, really great. It's also a lot more efficient in regards to heating. Like the space heaters that you plug in, those use like 1500 watts. This one here says it only uses 700 watts. I actually do have it plugged into my meter down here, and I'm reading 682 right now, so that is spot on. You have a little adjuster right here up front, so you can easily adjust it. You'll be able to hear it click, turn off and on. It just clicked off, and whenever it clicked off, it's only using, well, 0.3 watts. So that's probably to run this light right there. So very energy efficient. Turn it back on, and then it jumps back up to 687 watts. And then as you see right there, you have a switch that you can easily turn it off and on with. You don't have to always mess with this dial. And then it does have overheat protection, which is nice. Overall, I've been very satisfied with it. Like I said, works really great, especially if you need a small area underneath your desk, something like that to keep you warm and you want the energy efficiency. Nice size cord on it as well. That's like really durable with that really thick rubber on it. I'd say about 5 feet long. It is just a regular cord like this. 2-prong, polarized, doesn't have a ground. Overall, like I said, really cool. Go ahead and check this one out from Air Choice.